Happy December, friends. This week's book is called Snores On. It's written by Karma Wilson and is illustrated by Jane Chapman. Remember, illustrated means they do all the pictures. In a cave in the woods, in a deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. And itty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, crawls in the cave in the fluff cold snow. Mouse sleeps too damp, too dark, so he lights sweet twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare pops in. That's a hare. It's also called a rabbit. "Hello, Mouse," says the hare. "Long time no see." So they pop white corn, and they brew black tea. Mouse sips sweet slurps. Hare burps big burps, but the bear snores on. What other animals will join them? Big badger scuttles by, sniff, 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 sniff the air. I smell yum. Perhaps we could share. I brought honey nuts, addresses with a grin. Let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in. And they nibble, and they munch, with a chew, chomp, crunch, but the bear snores on. It goes for animal, tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters a wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a sunburned bear sleeps through the party in his own very lair. Here they are, they're partying, and there's the bear. Hare stokes the fire, mouse seasons the stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear. Is he gonna wake up? Let's find out. Achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stumps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Like everyone's bleeding. Oh, Momo's hiding. You snuck up my lair, and you all had fun, but me, I was sleeping, and I had none. And he whimpers and he mows, and he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, don't fuss, look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea. Bear gobbles, he sighs with delight, then he spins tall blustering night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp clear dawn, bears can't sleep. But this friends snore on. Awesome, guys. So click your art project that's in your binder, and can't wait to see it on Friday.